So I was playing with transistors and made this touch sensor using Darlington pair. You see these two transistors here. This is called the Darlington pair. And how I made this touch sensor, let's see. So first of all, this is the touch wire, the wire I am touching here. So when I touch this wire, a small tiny current fade from my body to this base, and this base current is amplified here. So this amplified emitter current again fade into the second transistor's base and again amplified. That means the current amplified, again amplified. That means a small current is amplified twice, and this amplified current flows through this LED. You see this LED here, and that's why when I touch this sensor, touch this wire, you will see this LED is glowing. And this 100 microfarad capacitor is to stable this this thing. I mean, when I remove my hand, this LED is gradually turning off instead of instantly turning off, and this is because of this 100 microfarad capacitor. So thank you.